Okay, we just caught Striper on a
18.
spinning reel. So how big is he?
He's if I go like that, is that what you're saying, Joe? Like that?
Yeah, tip of the tail.
Or the tip of the tail. Here, do this for me.
I got one. Oh, I got one.
You
Yeah.
got one? Yeah.
Alright. Looks like we got one.
Yeah. Oh, this one I got one.
You got a bird? Oh no. You caught a bird. You better get that on camera.
I was just thinking if we caught a bird, how bad this would be.
Shoot.
Let's just ask for help or something.
Oh, luckily, no, I didn't hook him.
You didn't hook him?
No.
He's not on the hook?
No.
Oh.
Alright, come here. Don't do that.
Unhook him. Get that out of his way. Oh, be careful, don't break his leg. Cut it.
It's wrapped around.
Cut the line. And it goes through his other wing too.
So he's not hooked, but the line's in him?
No,
He'll hurt you.
Well, it doesn't look like he's broke. His wing's broken.
no, he's fine.
Don't step on his fish. Alright, now.
Okay.
One more time before we caught the seagull. Fighting.
I was just thinking that if we caught a seagull, what we would do.
One more time here, okay? Is this a legal fish or not?
18
Here's
is the
tip,
limit.
and there's his tail.
That's 18.
Alright.
So he's
I'll
good?
take your word for it.
That's good.
Alright.
I'll
Thank
pay
you.
the fine if he's not.
How much is the fine? $250 or something?
Excuse me.